Hey, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a shared Google Calendar in your mobile device. So sadly we don't have an option to do it in the mobile app, so we have to open the Google Calendar in the web browser. But remember to open this link, because if you tap on the first one, you will be redirected to the application automatically. So just tap on the shareable online calendar, log into the same account, and now just tap on the create button. Or just tap on the plus in the other calendars. Now tap on the create new calendar. Okay, now we have a new calendar, and now if you want to invite someone to share it, just hold the finger on it. If you don't see the settings, just tap on the arrow and go to the share with specific people or groups. Now tap on the add people or groups and choose the mail that you want to invite someone and share this calendar. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.